Oh, this is how I like it on the street. I was here finally. Nana nkoko hene. Akyem Asuom Chief hene. Wabekasa. Also, I reply critics. Me pay the nana ye no. Me dia me nipa o counter kwa no odwane dia me mempeo. O counter kwa. Ne be to twere. Na so bo no be to be. No akire obo be de. Nana yi wa be reply. Ever attack ya TikTokers. Odi Ahenkan mo. E dia ba ne so King1Ghana mo dia ba ne so after say oka say NPP for nyina ya sound class no. Was a very reply. I for be from the next level. Me wan chire mu no akire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah block media. Me so say need mo. Obe like video no other ma subscribe button na be click notification icon of latest update na be chire wadwen dey ama me. E wo comment section. So ba so no achire so enya bi ahwe. It last week Sunday no. Ana Ghana ye celebrating 1 year anniversary after say your tour ba na NDC government led by John Dramani Mahama every ye celebrating and hono and say business nipa ni bia say omu belong affiliated to NDC as a political party no ye business questions on how almost who government no ne 1 year anniversary how anima esiko and I'm so Emma Akyem Asuom Chief hene I say amount for chire say ye tu na de so but nana you know he still carries himself as a chief it no let's address him as such. The new evidence we are just here to adjustment as or portray him on the internet so as I will address him. The Akyem Asuom Chief hene ochire mu say all the NPP 5 aspirants contesting to be a flag bearer of the party no or label me as Sankwas.
The 5 people who are contesting wanting to be flag bearers are just Sankwas. Look, the NPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahen, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just Sankwas compared to those. I call them the Sankwas 5. If President Mahama should decide to contest, this is how the scale will be. All the Sankwas 5, Dr. Baumia, Honorable Kennedy Japan, Dr. Brian Champong, Edichum, Honorable Kwabneje, all 5 of them should not even go and choose one. It should be all 5 of them on one ballot paper against President Mahama. And this is how the scale will be. All of them there, and then Mahama here.
Sankwas literally means empty barrels. And I say useless entities, empty beings, people who are full of emptiness. Papa Shiakwa. What I say? People of no value, no credibility, nothing, absolutely nothing. Olebu omu as such. Aya no kwa. Baumia yere kra no sa kana dwe ekyere no. E ma do e pop up on the internet no. E de abufo bebere e bae. TikTokers for edi na tempa. E ma even Odi Ahenkan kra no. E be ka se de panyini wan ka se yi, papa wan ka se yi. Wan ka se yi. Da bu sampan for se kalkom ya di gwaku anum. Ohini wasa be kasa. O kirem se Sankwas no kan ne de. They are indeed Sankwas, but o enchiremu e de mamo.
Na Sankwas no. Ubusa eno a enye brofo eno so a enye twi enye sure say ye igbe ana hausa but obia say oh we de ne wakam susem say asa de enti bi damponie ma me nkyere mo de na me pese me kyere na se won te Sankwas asimpo a sebe obetimi afa contest na afọ ma me di be dru Sankwas twetwa bi ma mo na mo fa nye emefu ye wa be kire se empanimfo num ya ye de oma bayi obi nka se omonse obi nka se omonfata na emom ye trace ye history na ye hwe akukudam a omo baaye a ebinom na omo nsuro so omo de omo nkwa ebeto ho de age oman ye si ho every Aborigines Right Protection Society ebreso eno be wo UGCC empenifo ewom ebi ate sɛ JW de Graf Johnson ebi te sɛ Pa Grant saa mpanifoɔ no kukuru no deɛ no ɔmo kura no ɛne wode ba animu kakra ebi ne ɔkyeame baafoɔ akoto a ɔno no NLM ɛbɛwo ya ma sese yenya NPP na wode ba after ɔkyeame akoto na ɔmo nya Professor Kofi Abrefa Buzia na enumwa de bedu 1992 yi a Professor Albert Edubuahen sa akuku dam we no mo a na omun suro sa omo be face sa wo yo broni o so kura tumi ban yo na so no kura no omun suro sa omo beka no omo beje fa hodi de amaya mai se ya kasa nipa 5 we ya omo standard no low in drusa. That is what I meant by sankwas. Sankwas no ye colloquial expression. You need genuine definition biya wa baby ya obeka so there we dey etrese. So what the cobra fumwa, it is almost like saying that onipa ne competence no in drew omo aka no. In other words, omo ye incompetent. Enti say ye kase obi eye incompetent na mo befa ne say ye ana an insult na obi foforo nso be kase o mampani eye the incompetent one akwa no de wasa enso mu hu se eno ye insult dia eno ye omo problem it's not mine omo koi eye omo ko for 2028 na omo yi baako me chere de ntia me hu ne se omo competency level no wo form no me start free Dr. Belmiaso ana me chere se oh we be di vice president pen ansa na obeba no na ye nyina ye wo gidie e woni mu ifri se omo ton no ma ye se ono na obesave economy no ono ne economic messiah no minim se bo be kai a video bi e call viral me chere se oh ono na nanka football mu a oye Messi so obaaye no okodane ball boy went me and perform me o hwe unemployment I was so high, inflation there was nothing to write home about it, debt stock, cost of borrowing, balance of payments nyina were facing the wrong directions. Inti so went me na wakwa ma omo am betimi no ekwan because they say so hwe amambo no President Mahama ene the finance minister Dr. Atuforsin ene just say NDC aban no ebu no a untimi ngina chire nka nkyere me say obetimi aye better than the omo ye no, and so ehia so beba biem me chire mu koka eye honorable Kennedy Japan de atre se ono assign ni suban bia atemdidie no dooso bebree no na afen so no eba se tem bia ono de contract apere no otai prepa nti obi sa no eba sa na akoye se oba omanim no ye be take risks bi e de sika nyina akohye sa nipa ne nsa na obetimi ahweso de ebi ne de free mu sesie Nana Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, yade ye purse, state purse no, a shine in some wise promises or be protected person so then could see actually we need to China no more de amasa e rem yi de omope. Enti I was here the sort of person I oba mensi hwa me ka ekọ eye Dr. Brian Champon ana me kire se nipa no enche bia ana state property or yes so wabeto gidi antwe ne ho kra wo so antwe ne ho sika no so ade to no a just sika fia bia just ye mia ye ne aton ade no kra for sale value kra no endu enti sa nipa no no pe oman ni yi ana so ope ni bottom ayawa so west gogon tokwe ne sa time no minister of state for national security ne dia baba so nyina we all know because during President Akufo-Addo mre no ekoye too much. It was just kleptocracy. Mumbroye na yenya ayi tumi no ne nya ekwan bia mo de faso de ayeye abroso bia no bia mfaso. That is how I see it. Into your share your national service stealing no and no cry buy near for say 53 million dollars no me wia ya buy ye investigation ye hu say 750 million o share national cathedral de ya near for say 57 million dollars ya buy ye hu say it's more than that, about 97 million dollars o share sa ayi sika pudo be 31 billion dollars almost sa ye de akoshisha account mu wa manone in the name of say ye important no ma de abanso bibia amfa ma na te say sa enkofo na ma say omo be ye oma ne yi na emu omo ba so omo be bo ma no na oma se no na omo de sika no esie e de ama omo ma ene omo chiri manko a ma bona na adodi we de okotwe asema ba Honorable Kennedy Japan. The only time I'm in share, you know. Some reno na ubini munom ne pastors no manya bebre no. Na I asked him, say, Nibusano. Say, Honorable, they say dear Ujudi na obefa we so Edi abigina bia na saa time no catch them say debi da ye de be den na ye de ye yakogina de omo ye no ana enye papa nti e wose yetimi e correct omo enwechi mene openi baako a ono so ye NPP ni his lordship Yoni Kulendi e kasai na emise de ma ye hia ye no ekoye ye miensa entemu asem nti akire ana meka kire ne se they say matete se Honorable Kennedy Japan pese okugina ho na nka wo momo koi na ofa no as running mate na ugumi no na ye hwe ye se ebia obetimi asakra na asakra ye bebem no abeye presidential material anka be de enti dwen ho na hwe se ubetimi aya ya wakuku damfo ewo NPP mu bebre na ansana obi beba be pre di break sie se ope omampani aya no sebe ntimi mfa just any Tom, Dick and Harry bia emedi animu e wo se sankofo no character one obia betimi avouch for e wo se omo selflessness etimi ekasa ekire e wo se omo patriotism and love for country no more akoye se even obi pe assemblyman edi ye show nipa na djuma a waye ono ampo ni sika de ode aye e de aboa ni community no ana o mato abama no na afi ya hwe ni suban no ni ato abama no na koba se yentimi anhwe ni ankari sa ankofo we ni amfa omo antoto ebinom ama bakode a ene ya me se nche bia se ata yi bia yi ni ti so opese obedi president no wanya sika eno ane se ye ma ne kwan no akodi se president His Excellency the excellent John Dramani Mahama ebaye no wanya bikura amfa ma yen wanya hwimpo na se obesave yen free eye president Akufo-Addo ene na mamuo no a nanka odi betwa ye mene no wa ba ye wanya hwe no save yen kra anka ye wo hwe no ma o ye ya bebrebe meka ka akọ eye inflation as say enam 6.3 ho reduce but still ye hu to ye nkakra prices ejinejina ebim so aba from bebrebe ministers our promises will be used to 60 or the 58 na ebo adwuma no. President Akufo-Addo issue 125 ministers. Inti de wa save Ghana no eye bebre. Oko eye stress free tertiary education a school for any age. Sabe omo ye disabled utimi call tertiary education enya no free. Me kaka electrification omo ye ewo up in the north Savannah region about 13 towns and villages. Me kaka la general hospital omatimi e de 130 million abesiesi amayen. Me kaka debt to GDP. Me kaka district assembly common fund as I say eko wano ema enunti omutimi di boadwuma de mayen na assemblymen enya salary e di free mu. Kaka big push as I say or the 10 billion ana eba abeso your roads any infrastructure mu. Me kaka bebre into the oye no or the atre Ghana mine say aban papa aba. So share the other ones now oba be save ye no a. Eka ene kronobo enkuto say oma we mu ye da sori kra na ye ka se obi ewia sika se ya enye enwanwa. It has become the norm.
When someone ohini abeka no retreat, no surrender. To the word from Mame, our comment section. I have Penyah Brook Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!